Technocraft Textile Division is part of the Technocraft Group, which is a $200 million group headquartered in Mumbai and listed on the Indian Stock Exchange. The Textile Division was established in the year 1997 as a 100% export-oriented unit producing cotton yarn. Over the years, the division has grown into a fully vertically integrated textile manufacturing conglomerate encompassing fiber to fashion. The company's state-of-the-art 100% cotton yarn spinning mill is equipped with the most modern and sophisticated fully automatic technology from Rita, Ooster, Maratha and others. It employs over 2,000 trained and qualified technicians and manufactures the highest quality of yarn that meets stringent global standards, producing 1,200 tons per month on 60,000 spindles. The mill is equipped with the most advanced contamination control technology from Ooster Magic Eye and Ooster Quantum Clearers in the winders. Ooster Quality Control Laboratory UV checking helps to achieve 100% customer satisfaction. Internationally prominent certificates such as ISO standards, Ecotex, PCI and organic cotton certifications enable quality-conscious customers the world over to partner with it. Technocraft Fabric Division is equipped with the world's best knitting machines from Maya and C and Terod, with open width execution for Lycra fabric with a production capacity of 700 tons per month. Technocraft's dyeing and finishing facility with a capacity of 500 tons per month uses cutting-edge technology from Thies, Germany, Santex, Bruckner and Laffer. The dyeing and finishing process is meticulously controlled by its state-of-the-art laboratory, equipped with the latest auto-dispensing system and digital color matching and dyeing recipe management from Data Color. Technocraft achieves the highest level of quality standards in knit fabric with the help of its state-of-the-art laboratory, which is accredited by Marks & Spencer and equipped with James Hill testing equipment. The knit fabric is certified by Ecotex Class 1, ensuring the highest level of quality and free from harmful chemicals. The fabric division has a zero-discharge water treatment and recycling system, ensuring 99% water reuse as part of the group's sustainable goals and ZTHC compliance. In order to cater to the sustainability goals of the global brands, a wide range of sustainable fabric are produced, like recycled polyester certified with Global Recycled Standard, Ecovero Viscose, Bamboo, Tencel, Modal, Hemp, Linen, Jute, Smart Cell, C-Cell, Sorona, Organic and BCI Cotton, Natural Herbal Dyed Melanges and many others. The fabric division is also supported with its own 12-color rotary printing machine from Reggiani, Italy, with a baby rotary sampling machine and the most advanced laser engraver to produce the highest quality of printed fabrics. All types of printed fabrics are produced, like pigment, soft pigment and discharge, catering to the latest fashion trends of global brands. Technocraft is committed on achieving its sustainable goals through continuous reduction of its carbon footprint by environmental sustainability. The garment unit is LEED Gold Level certified, which is a mark of its high sustainable manufacturing facility. The company is also registered on the Higg Index to measure its sustainable initiatives. The manufacturing unit is conveniently located just 50 kilometers from JNPT Nhava Seaport, from where its products are exported to more than 70 countries worldwide. It has international offices and warehouses in England, Poland, China, USA and UAE. Technocraft is committed to achieve continuous growth through the use of cutting-edge technology, quality, innovative products, efficient management, and above all, attaining complete customer satisfaction. A corporate philosophy suitably conveyed through a beautiful verse by Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep. Technocraft. One group, one solution.